Bonjour et bienvenue sur Ignition Lovers. Aujourd'hui, nos invités sont Kent Melville et Kevin McCluskey. C'est parti!
I'll go ahead and start. I'm Kevin McCluskey. I have been working for Inductive Automation going on 15 years now. I act as the Chief Technology Architect at Inductive Automation.
Yeah. And I'm Kent Melville. I'm the Director of Sales Engineering here at Inductive Automation. And not quite at 15 years, but I've been here for 8. A little over half. I'm catching up.
Yeah.
We'll see if I ever make it.
Still respectable. Another 7 years.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, so as Chief Technology Architect, I work with a lot of customers who are doing all sorts of different advanced architectures around the world and try to provide some advice for implementation, and then also try to make sure that our technology is lined up with what the customer needs are right now. So as technology continues to move on and move forward, I'm working with the development team, I'm working with our sales team to try to understand and bridge that gap between what customer needs are and what we're delivering as a company.
Yeah, and I manage the sales engineering team, which is really the boots on the ground that gets to talk to customers about their solutions. And we like to think of our sales process not so much as convincing people to use Ignition, but just educating them about how great Ignition is, how much they're going to love it, and then once they do realize how great it is, they're just going to want to use it naturally, right? So the sales engineering team meets with customers, educates them on how great it is, and then just likes to nerd out and talk about all the little details that are found in the platform.
My favorite feature in 8.3, there's so much good in 8.3, but my favorite feature, I think, is Event Streams. So Event Streams has so much power. I think every user who's using Event Streams or who starts using Event Streams is going to find it as a fantastic central place inside Ignition to manage everything that you might want to do when it's automatically triggered from something and then doing something else. So, tag chain scripts that you traditionally might have just been doing inside Python would be, it's a great place to centralize that type of thing. Alarm events that are happening, things that are coming from the outside world over RESTful web services, or communications between some of these advanced technologies that really help bridge that OT-IT gap there. So I'm really excited about Event Streams.
Well, Kevin stole mine. I think Event Streams is also really great, but since he went on the back end, I'll talk about the front end a little bit. Really excited about some of the new stuff that's coming into the Perspective module, specifically the Forms component, because as was talked about here at ICC, oftentimes at Inductive Automation, first we make stuff possible and then we make it easy. And Forms has been possible for a long time. Both of us have built many forms inside Ignition. And while we have all those built-in components you can drag out, you end up with nested layers and then figuring out how to aggregate that all data to actually submit it to a database or something. It just requires some manual effort. Not anymore, right? Now all that comes in and is just super easy. Anybody can build forms instantly and be able to use them offline, which I'm really excited about.
I think you all are great. Ignition community is fantastic. I've been in the automation industry for a while, and there's a lot of communities in the automation industry, and I absolutely love this community. Everybody's collaborative. It's a really good vibe, and I wouldn't still be here if I didn't love what we do, and a good portion of what we do is the community that we have here. So thank you, everyone, for being part of this.
Absolutely, and it's because of that love of the community that Kevin and I, in the keynote here at ICC, we both were able to speak about our Discover Gallery winners, where we were able to talk about our customers and the incredible projects that they've done. 6 companies were chosen as Firebrand Award winners this year, and if we're going to talk about anything here in front of our community, we want to be talking about what the community is doing, and the Firebrand Award winners were a great way to do that.
I'm an Ignition lover.
Yeah, there's one right here.
Right. There might be ones over there behind the camera.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, no, our whole community, it's it's such a pleasure to just meet so many people. We're here at ICC right now, right? Ignition Community Conference, and you look around and you can't throw a dart without hitting a Ignition lover, right? Don't throw a dart at the community, please, but you get the point. Yeah.
Yeah, and it was fun. I was just in another conversation with some people, and we were talking about Maker Edition and how we love using Ignition, not just in our work life, but also at home, and how our kids have started to be able to interact with Ignition. And so we've got a whole new generation of Ignition lovers that are coming up. And we were talking about a decade from now, maybe we'll have a whole new younger generation of people from inductive automation that can be talking about how much they love Ignition.
Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo, c'était l'interview des Ignition Lovers par l'équipe de 2GI Technologies, société experte en informatique industrielle. 2GI Technologies est intégrateur en France, en Espagne et en Europe, et l'entreprise est certifiée intégrateur premier par Inductive Automation, le plus haut degré de certification sur Ignition. À bientôt sur Ignition Lovers!